The first new trap consists of a box with a sliding perspex face, the other with a bottle and two coupled with a network of 6 mm square. In these last two and the bottom I put input cones with holes 9 mm, so that may come bees and wasps. Inside deposit various baits. As we see, the bees come easily through the holes in the network. However, wasps finding no exit cross, all falling into the trap bottle through a cone leading to con. This system can be used as bait. Beekeeper own products are available as honey or mead. Thus, we can perform a dual function, feeding bees while serving trap wasps. It also prevents larger insects entering. Wasps such as butterfly wings do not pass through the holes. I have made several prototypes, but I think I can improve, so I present experimental prototypes to where I am. Second new trap consists of a double casing so that network placed under the hive's bees leave visible from their bottom, so wasps to go to catch them passing through the cones with hole on the bottom network, being trapped between the two, so walking the trap looking for the exit, reaching the small bottle connected by a tube to the big bottle, drop-in from which they cannot escape. In order to try to protect the lower hives, have 3 hives on high and a meter advance alignment. In order that the wasps will capture the lower hive, bees are attracted by bees from hives on high. To perform this operation, I sacked 3 swarms in the spring and I moved to the apiary for more than 3 miles away so that the bees be redirected to the new location. The hives should not be displaced 1 meter of where they are and they lose 2. Always return to the exact spot where the hive was. The lift did not work on catching wasps as having fixing bees take flight before entering the hive. They captured with the network with glue. As this lame wasp flight, and we see as he tries to escape, leaving the dying bee. But do fall into this trap. Wasps have no fixing and flying hanging the hive. With this system I have captured about 100 wasps that, although few, have to start somewhere. This result also I hope to improve it with new variations. The third line of research involves placing a safety net so that wasps can enter to capture the bees. Insects generally try to climb toward the light, in which case go through the funnels and enter an upper chamber whose space they find it very difficult to leave. Sooner or later fall into the first bottle collection, leading to another greater than that. Do not go. This model works especially when the wasp catcher be in the network, since then disconnect your excitement makes vision systems a location you have to find the exit when trying to lose out upward and forward, falling into the same collection system than previous traps. Other escape as the vision or echolocation systems detect the output. This system also get to capture dozens of wasps. But I cannot solve the harassment of bees, so I have to also make further changes to improve its performance. Foul all investigated. These prototypes are new concepts whose developments may lead to protection of apiaries. In observing the behavior of animals are the keys to finding different solutions. As we can see, bees route hurtling toward the hive trying to avoid of capture by wasps. The mantle of bees at the entrance has several functions. The main ones are protecting to prevent access to wasps, and the second is to serve as a buffer bees trying to reach and strike him full speed. If we'll slow the image, we can see this behavior. Observe another. And another. For this observation I modified the runner retreating to the hive entrance to the middle of it, standing to a dark backdrop, so to simulate and replace the mantle of bees. This year, due to the extraordinary spring rains, have not been so many wasps, so the result will be seen in coming years. I also want to teach the difference between males and females. This is mainly in the end of the abdomen. In males the end is flat and have two yellow marks, which is the main distintivo. Las females, as we see on the right, has pointed abdomen and aguijon, L left and center are males, and as much as to cause him not take the sting because it does not. When I look, I wonder when we can reproduce sexually attracted to pheromones, because with it we can end the invasion.